Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Wasabi, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the registration process for Wasabi, navigate to the Wasabi website. Once on the home page, locate the sign up or get started button. Click on the button to proceed to the registration page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Input a valid email address that you regularly use. Next, create a secure password for your account. Be sure to include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for enhanced security. After entering your password, confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. Proceed to fill out any requested personal information, such as your name and organization. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Make sure to read the information to understand your rights and obligations. Once you've reviewed the documents, check the box to agree to the terms. Click the Create Account or similar button to finalize your registration. You may receive a verification email shortly after. Check your email inbox for the verification message from Wasabi. If it's not in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folders. Open the verification email and click on the provided link. This link will direct you back to the Wasabi website to act. Once your account is activated, you can log in with your registered email and password. Explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the features available. You are now ready to start using Wasabi for your storage needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.